Marketing is very important nowadays because without the marketing, you are unable to establish your product or your concept in the market very effectively. So nowadays, an excellent marketing executive requirement is everywhere in all the segment. If you take it in the digital marketing segment, if you take it in the insurance segment, pharma segments, general OTC segment, or any of the things, even if you go in the manufacturing segments, they also requires a technically sound marketing executive. So what are the 10 qualities that every marketing executive should have? Here I am there. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Purti Trivedi and I am here to share you 10 important things that every marketing executive should have in their life. If this is the quality, if they come up or if they don't have, and if they train themselves to get that 10 quality, and if they thoroughly follow it, I am 100% sure that that marketing executive will be successful in their life. So first quality is one, that a marketing executive should be a very good communicator. Communication skill is definitely considered as the first skill of a marketing executive. See, here not a communication skill means you become a big anchor or you should be having a very good orator. But yes, the things you are appointed for, you need to convey to the market. You have to convey your products plus points or your product to your customers. You should be able to convey what are the plus points, minus points, effectively closing and everything against your customer. So first requirement, that is the communication skills, every marketing executive must have. If it is not there, there are so many classes going on. You can go to YouTube and develop yourself how to develop a marketing skill and how to develop a good communication skill through it. Second and very important thing, the best marketing executive or a successful marketing executive is that person who is having an in-depth product knowledge. So what I mean by in-depth product knowledge, it means the person should have all the information related with its products features, its products price, how the product works. If any of the queries comes, then the excellent marketing executive is able to convey its benefit. If any objection comes or if any query comes, that marketing executive should be able to solve that query, and that is only possible that if the person having a sound product knowledge. So second requirement, product knowledge must be there to every marketing executive or for the successful marketing executive. Third and very important is marketing executive should have a pleasant personality. What I mean by the pleasant personality, one thing, that the marketing executive should have to enjoy its life, should have to enjoy its works. He should love doing his work. I'm in the pharma field since last 15 years. Day in and day out I am meeting the doctors and I'm enjoying my life because I love the job, and that is why I'm enjoying my job. So this is such kind of the thing. If you are able to enjoy your life, if you are able to enjoy your work, if you love your work, then and only you will be a good marketing executive. So third quality is pleasant personality. Fourth quality is the person should be always energetic. What I mean by the energetic doesn't mean you run very fast, but yes, whatsoever, if you come across with the customers, if you are not energetic, then your customer will definitely will not focus on you, and ultimately you will lose your order or you will lose one chance to get your order. So you should be energetic one. Fifth quality that every marketing executive should have, that is the time management skill. What is time management skill? Means the person should be on the time. If any customer has appointed for few of the time, for example 10 o'clock time for the meeting time, then that person should be at 10 o'clock over just against the customers, that I mean to say. So the time management is definitely there. A good marketing executive should have to schedule his time, or a good marketing executive should be on time. So time management is the very basic requirement. Sixth requirement is the person should be a very good administrator. Now, what is the administrator? Marketing executive doesn't mean that you just have to go to the customer and you have to just focus on the product, but simultaneously the marketing executive is responsible for their companies also. So that person has to do some reporting, that person has to do some follow-up. So in that every way, the good marketing executive has to come across with all that thing, and he has to do reporting and administration's part very effectively. Another segment that a good marketing executive should have, that is the hunger for the money. See, in the marketing there is a sky is the limit for your earning, but yes, that person should also give 100%. I don't say 100%, but if the person is able to give 110% of its efficiency, then and then only he would be successful in the marketing field. So the basic requirement for the marketing executive should be, he should have some hunger for the money. If you don't have a hunger, why are you in the marketing field? You go to some of the any of the routine place, you do 9 to 5 job. But if you be a marketing executive, you are definitely working for the salary, but along with the salary, you are having a hunger for earning an incentive. You are having a hunger to fulfill your dream. You are having a hunger to do something extraordinary in your life. You wanted to achieve something, and that is why you are in the marketing field. See, marketing field is not for the earning. Marketing field is there to fulfill all your dreams, and if you wanted to fulfill all your dreams, you just have to follow these few of these things, or you should be a very active, or you should have a strong qualities that out of all that thing, and then and only you would be a successful marketing executives. Another good qualities that the marketing executive should have, that is the objection handling skill. Every day, every marketing executive has to come across with their customers. So many questions will come, and technically, or few times it happens that the person has to give handle the objection. So objection handling skill should also require to be a good marketing executive. And last one, closing skill. So whenever the marketing executive is just going just against to the customers, is highlighting everything, his points everywhere or something, all that things happens. But yes, at last, how you close your call, or how you do a closing. You know, in the management there is a special book for the closing, means how you close the thing, and that ultimately is the, you know, that the टारगेट पॉइंट. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे अर्जुन को सिर्फ मछली की आंख दिखती थी, दैट वे द क्लोजिंग शुड बी डन. उसको टारगेट पे जाना चाहिए, पता होना चाहिए कि किस हिसाब से क्लोजिंग करेंगे तो हमको ऑर्डर मिलेगा, किस हिसाब से क्लोजिंग करेंगे तो अब भी हमको ऑर्डर नहीं मिलेगा तो फ्यूचर में ऑर्डर मिलने का चांसेस है. सो अल्टीमेटली यू आर देयर फॉर द कम्युनिकेशंस. If you are going across to your customers, and if you doesn't do your effective closing, every efforts from meeting, just approaching meeting and everything just go in the water. So you have to focus on the closing, and there is a very special skill. If you wanted to know further, I will definitely come up with the new video, that is how effectively you can close, so that you will be having a very good marketing skill, or you will have very good, you will have a very good chance to get more and more order and all. So this is few of the points that I wanted to share it with you. This is some of the important points. If you follow in your life, definitely you will be also grow. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.